William Ruto toured the Kasarani Stadium indoor arena ahead of UDA's NDC scheduled for tomorrow Tuesday. And speaking during the inspection tour, the leaders led by Tharaka Nithi Senator Prof Kithure Kindiki said several anticipated defining announcements will spell a new dawn to Kenyan politics as the country heads to the August polls. Now, the event that the leaders said will attract thousands of Kenyans will not be a political rally.
United Democratic Alliance is going to unveil his presidential candidate, whom we believe is the next president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samuel Ruto. We expect quite a number of people. We have tried as much as possible to be representative countrywide, and we have sent invitations to about more than 5,000 delegates who will constitute the National Delegate Conference. However, we expect an overflow. We expect other members of the party might just troop in. But because of space and also for legal reasons, we could not have invited all UDA members because the National Delegate Conference is a legal entity under the UDA Constitution. So we cannot have everybody. We'll have 5,000 delegates from every county, every part of this country, and I dare say from every ward and every constituency in our republic.
And of course, KTN News will be right there for you tomorrow as the team from UDA makes that declaration, crowning of Deputy President. All right, on that note, we take a short break right here on Kivumbi 2022. When we come back, still more stories for you, including the first day of KCSE. Find out what happened today, if at all. Also, at the top of there, remember my discussion with the gentleman